Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen snack, only way. Start by crushing a block of dry ramen into bite-sized pieces, heat a small amount of neutral oil in a skillet, and fry the noodles until golden and crunchy. Drain excess oil, toss with salt and your chosen spices, then let cool on paper towels. Store in an airtight container for a long-lasting snack that stays crispy and satisfying. Gather your ingredients and prep quickly so the cooking goes smoothly. Crush the ramen into uneven pieces for better texture, pour a thin layer of oil into a hot skillet, and keep stove heat medium to avoid burning. Fry in batches so pieces cook evenly and stay crisp. Remove as they brown, toss with seasoning while hot so flavors stick, and allow to cool completely before serving or storing. Keep a close eye and stir frequently to avoid sudden burning and ensure a uniform crunch. Use a shallow skillet so noodles sit in oil without overlapping too much, and adjust heat if pieces brown too fast. Season immediately while hot so flavor adheres, and taste test a piece to tweak salt or spice levels. Let the snack cool fully on paper towels to lock in crispiness before serving or packing away.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.